is for apple that's red and so sweet. At B is for ball that we bounce with our feet. At C is for cat with whiskers and fur. At D is for dog who loves to play fetch for sure. E is for elephant so big and so gray. At F is for fish who swims all the day. G is for guitar we strum with our hand. H is for hat to protect from the sun and sand. I is for ice cream that's cold and so nice. At J is for jump as high as the skies. At K is for kite that flies in the breeze. At L is for lion, the king of the trees. M monkey that's swinging from tree to tree. N ninja that performing martial arts moves. O octopus that's swimming gracefully in the ocean. P penguin that's sliding on ice. Q queen that waving from her royal throne. R rabbit that hopping quickly as snail slithering slowly.